I'm sure you might have thought about this question multiple times. Is coding required to be a successful data scientist? Don't worry. By the end of this video, all your doubts are going to be cleared. Many people wonder if they need to know how to code in order to excel in the field of data science. Let me break it down for you. First things first. Coding is an integral part of the data science journey. It's the language we use to communicate with the computers, instruct them, and manipulate the data. Since data science primarily deals with data fed into a software, knowing programming languages becomes necessary to be a good data scientist. Apart from that, programming also helps the data scientist in fetching data, manipulating data, building models, and drawing insights from vast amount of information. Now, before you start panicking and thinking that you need to be a coding genius, let me assure you, it's not as scary as it may seem. The key is to gain a solid foundation. And in order to do that, you do not need a prior knowledge of programming. Python, for example, is a widely used programming language in the data science community, and it's beginner friendly. You can start from scratch and learn it within a short period of time. What's even better, that a lot of professionals from the data science and machine learning communities have made their libraries free for you to read upon. I'll leave the links in the description box below. It's an excellent starting point if you're new to coding. However, the subjects of coding also depends upon the role you want to take up. For example, let's talk about a role of a data analyst. As a data analyst, your primary focus is on collecting, organizing, and analyzing data to draw insights and support decision-making processes. But here, the level of coding expertise required may vary depending upon the specific responsibilities and the company you work for. In most cases, proficiency in a programming language like SQL is crucial for data analysts. Now, let's move on to a role of a data scientist. A data scientist is responsible for getting insights from complex data sets, building predictive models, and solving detailed problems using statistical analysis and machine learning algorithms. As a data scientist, coding plays a significant role in your day-to-day tasks. For a data scientist, proficiency in programming languages like Python or R is essential. Python in particular has become the go-to language for data science due to its versatility, extensive libraries, and ease of use. So if you want to learn data science from scratch, check out Newton School's professional certificate course in data science. Check the first link in the description to know more. Comment down the topics you want us to cover in the upcoming video, and for more such content around working professionals and career growth, subscribe to Newton School. Happy coding!